Okay. So remember this elbow I thought was leaking, and I didn't know how to get the, and I thought I was gonna have to do something about it. We're gonna try, since I did rearrange it a whole lot, to get the O-rings inside both of the locations there. I'm gonna try to start this with the with a seal like that and hope it works, so I don't have to try and do anything else to fix that air leak. Alright. Looks like I need to get some more oil on that slide valve to make sure it's there we go. Ooh, maybe it isn't just the right spot. Let's see if we can get this to run for a little bit then. Put some water in our cooling hopper there, and we'll watch this go for a bit.